Hey everyone! Before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our exciting content. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos, tutorials, and exclusive content just for you. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating awesome videos. Alright, let's get started. You know entrepreneurs, right? They are the go-getters who start their own businesses from scratch, taking on all the risks and rewards that come with it. They are the ones who innovate, create, and build new ventures. Intrapreneurs are similar, but different. They are the innovators within an existing organization. They work inside existing companies, bringing fresh ideas and new perspectives to the table. They come up with new ideas. They take risks. They make things happen. They are the driving force behind internal innovation. Just like entrepreneurs, but within a company. They leverage the resources and support of the organization to implement their ideas. Let's say you work at a car wash. You notice that customers often have to wait for their cars to be cleaned. You see an opportunity to sell snacks and drinks to people waiting. That's intrapreneurship. You are identifying a need and creating a solution within your workplace. You're using your skills and ideas to benefit the company. Your initiative not only improves customer satisfaction, but also boosts the company's revenue. Intrapreneurs are valuable assets to any team. They bring innovation, drive, and a fresh perspective, making them essential for the growth and success of any organization. Laundromats are everywhere. People need clean clothes. It's a basic need. That makes laundromats a stable business. They're also low maintenance. People do their own laundry. You mainly collect money and do some cleaning. Plus, you get paid up front. Customers put money in the machines. Cash flow is king. However, laundromats can be boring. That's where an intrapreneur's thinking comes in. Our intrapreneur wanted a laundromat, but not just any laundromat. They wanted a goldmine. First step, finding the right location. They looked for a laundromat in a densely populated area. They checked the competition. Were there other laundromats nearby? How could theirs be better? They analyzed the financials. Was the current business profitable? Could they improve it? After careful research, they found the perfect laundromat. It was time to make a move. Section 4. Making it rain quarters. Smart management strategies. Our intrapreneur knew that buying the laundromat was just the beginning. The real challenge was turning it into a thriving business. They needed a comprehensive plan to make it profitable and sustainable in the long run. First, they upgraded the machines to the latest models. New, energy-efficient washers and dryers were installed. Customers loved that. They also added several amenities to enhance the customer experience. Free Wi-Fi, comfortable seating, and vending machines were introduced to make the laundromat more inviting. They made sure to create a pleasant experience for everyone. Cleanliness was a top priority. A clean laundromat attracts more customers. It shows you care about their comfort and hygiene. These strategic changes made a huge difference in customer satisfaction and retention. The laundromat was busier than ever before. Profits soared, proving that smart management strategies can lead to remarkable success. Section 5. Spin cycle of success. Tips for laundromat entrepreneurs. If you're looking to dive into the laundromat business, there are several key factors to consider to ensure your success. Want to be a laundromat entrepreneur? Here are some tips. Location is key. The right location can make or break your business. Choose a densely populated area with limited competition. Modernize your space to attract more customers. Invest in new, efficient machines. Offer multiple payment options, including cashless transactions. This will cater to a wider range of customers. Provide amenities like Wi-Fi, comfortable seating, and snacks. These small touches can significantly enhance the customer experience and keep them coming back. Marketing matters. Use social media, local ads, and loyalty programs to attract customers. Engage with your community and build a loyal customer base. Customer service is king. Be responsive to customer needs and maintain a clean facility. A well-maintained laundromat with friendly staff will always stand out. Section 6. The final rinse. Key takeaways and inspiration. Our entrepreneur saw potential in a simple laundromat. They took risks, made smart decisions, and turned it into a thriving business. This is the power of entrepreneurship, seeing opportunities where others don't, taking action and making things happen. Don't be afraid to think outside the dryer. With hard work and creativity, you can turn any venture into a gold mine.